How to use Snapchat baby filter. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use Snapchat baby filter. So guys, if you want to use the baby filter on Snapchat, this video is for you. And this feature is the latest feature for Instagram, and you are watching these features on social media nowadays. So if you wanna try the feature, I will show you. Just watch the video. So let's go to Snapchat application first. So after going to Snapchat application, you have to click on the uh, emoji icon here. You can see here. So just click here, and then first you have to scroll on your left side. After scrolling your filter, you will find a filter here. This is the one. This is the filter which you can change your face into baby face. So you have to go here, and then let me show you how to do it. Just take one photo here, and then if the dot is blue, just click on blue here. So it is done. You can see here the face of this man has become baby face. So this is how you can use baby filter on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.